So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream video. Sorry, and again, don't forget to like up the video. And in today's video, what we have is a 100 amp panel that's being installed on the second floor in the home. Also very important to make sure that the proper sizing of cable is used to power up the 100 amp panel. Also very important to make sure that your breakers are positioned properly inside of the panel, preventing them from being loose. Also is So hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. And again, in today's video, what we have is just an installation of a box and how I go about using my tools provided to me in order to make this happen. In some cases, we don't always have the proper material that we need or whatever it may be, but we somehow have to make use of what we have, and that's what I'm simply doing in this video. I'm going to be installing this box, and I need to have my connectors installed inside of the box. Very important not to forget the installation of your connectors when it comes to electrical. And again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So hello, and in today's video what we simply have going on here is the installation of a box that's going to be going on to the wall. Again, very important not to forget to maintain the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Very important when it comes for final inspection, not to miss a beat, not to have anything off balance that will interrupt your passing of the electrical inspection. So again, don't forget to like up the video, stay tuned to the end of the video, and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also become a member also in the link provided. So again, please sit back and enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So as we wind down to the video and going to the next video, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So hello, welcome back to the channel. As we wind down to the entire video that was put together in pieces of videos provided from other sceneries. I do hope that you guys would have enjoyed the entire video. And again, don't forget to like up the video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe, or don't forget to either become a member of the channel. And as we wind down to the end of the video, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video, and I will catch you guys on the next video.